Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this tutorial I am gonna to introduce a new platform that offer a lot of courses for the development of your career. So this platform name is Coursera. Coursera is an online platform that offer a number of courses for the students and other professionals. Coursera is considered as one of the top online learning platform that offer a number of courses, and the courses are not basically free, but it has some cost. But there is an option through which you can apply for any course, and you will get the course without any payment, and it will be free for you. So in this video I will show that how you can apply for these courses at free of cost. So if you are new here and have never visited the Coursera, so first you have to type the Coursera link, that is coursera.org. So I will provide this link in the description of this video, and once you enter here the link and then hit enter, so you will come to this interface. This is the home page of Coursera. So here you see the different option, login and join for free at the top corner, and here at the bottom left as well. So when you are joining this for the first time and have never registered yourself, so then you have to click join for free. And for the second time, once you have an account in the Coursera, then you just have to click on the login. So now since I don't have any account, so I will click on the join for free. So click on the join for free. So once you click here, you will come to this new window. At the top you see the full name, so here type your full name, your actual name, and below this you see the email option, so type there your email address, and below in the third option you have to type your password. So once you complete this, then click on the join for free. After this you will come to this new window, and here you can add your personal information and detail, but for the time being I will skip this. And here now you can see the different courses related to different field, and from here you can change your profile picture, you can add your picture, you can add other information as well. And if you want to register some courses, so here you can search. So I will search for the technical writing course. Once I search this, I will get all the courses related to English technical writing. So here you can see, you can explore many others, and also to the many other fields related to the different softwares, graphic designing, and digital marketing, etc. So for the time I will register myself for the technical writing. So here you see this course is not free, but here you see the financial aid option. Click on this, continue, and then hit OK, because I will share accurate information, and then copy this and paste this, that I agree to the. And then here you add your information, educational background, annual income, employee status. I'm a student, so I'll be adding as a student. And here you see this option, that how much you can pay as interest. So I will pay 0, and here you see these 3 questions. So you have to answer these 3 questions at least 150 words. So I have already answered and registered so many courses before this, so I have already the answer to these 3 questions. So let me open that file in which I have written the answers to these 3 questions. This is the answer to the first question. So here I have written the answer for myself, and you can modify these answer for yourself. I will also provide the link of this answers file in the description of this video. So let me modify this for myself. So previously I have written that I'm a student of civil engineering, so for this time I will write this: I'm a student of pre medical, or some other profession you can write for yourself. So here you have to answer the first one, and then copy this and paste this in the answer box of the second question. So paste it over here, and then finally come to the third question: that would you consider using a low interest loan to pay for this course? No, I don't want. And here you have to provide the reason. So I have also answered for this question. You can see this in the description. I will provide the link of this document, so from there you can download. So I have answered all the three questions, and now click on this reCAPTCHA and submit application. So this is how you can apply for the any course. This was just one demonstration, and here you can see that we have received your application for the financial aid. So on June 17, 2021, you will be informed that your course is approved or not. So hopefully you have learned the procedure, and don't waste your time and apply from now for these courses and boost your skills. So thank you for watching. This is the end of this video tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and thank you.